Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok effects problem. So first thing you wanna do, actually there is three ways to fix this problem. The first way is open the settings and go to the apps manager. Open the apps and then you will find all the apps on this page that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps, and then all what you wanna do next is scroll and you find TikTok. And after you click on TikTok, now click on this force stop and then go to the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled. And last thing, click on the storage and click on clear data, clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is you have to update your TikTok in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. And last solution is you have to remove TikTok from your phone and re-download it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.